Today we're going to be talking about our quick lock brackets for our Acrovyn handrail. Sitting in front of me I have an HRB 20 handrail and the quick lock bracket that goes with it. Real quick, I just want to show you the two different units so that you can see how this works. But when we supply a quick lock bracket, we also will send a wrench along with it. The beauty of the quick lock is that it cuts down on installation time. Instead of needing two people to do the job, one person can do this. And the way that you do it, instead of having to go along the rail and screw in individually while someone else is helping you hold onto that rail, you can actually attach all of the quick lock brackets to the wall, and then you would slide your handrail on top of the quick lock bracket and quarter turn that. So we have a wrench that fits down on top, and then you just turn that 90 degrees and it locks in. Another good benefit of the quick lock system is that you can attach the handrail as one whole unit. So you can assemble all the individual pieces all together, get it all set as one rail, one component, and then lock it onto the quick lock. Or you can start with just the aluminum retainer itself, lock the bracket, get it locked onto the wall, and then go ahead and add your end cap and your handrail cover, your crash rail cover, reveal all of the components. So it makes it really nice that you can either attach one whole assembled unit or you can kind of assemble as needed. Let me show you how that works. So here I have our HRB 4C and our bracket. Now normally, obviously, this would be attached to the wall. So in a real life scenario, you would be locking that down over all of the different brackets, and then you would come in with your quick lock wrench. Again, turn that 90 degrees. Again, if it's attached to the wall, it makes it a lot easier to get that snug. And now your handrail is attached to your bracket. And that's it. It's that simple. You just follow your way along the rail length with that wrench and that bracket, and it makes installation extremely easy. I hope you enjoyed this tips and tricks video, and I'll see you next time.